Everyone wishes to have Korean glass skin, and we spend lots of money on skincare products hoping to achieve it. You can have beautiful, silky, smooth, and spotless skin at home with this homemade Korean face mask made with only 2 ingredients. So, to prepare this Korean face mask for glass skin, you need rice. Rice helps to reduce dark spots and improves your complexion. Rice is a good source of vitamin B, which helps in the production of new cells. It also has anti-pigmentation and anti-inflammatory properties that lightens and brightens your skin. Honey moisturizes your skin deeply and also fights against acne. It gives a natural glow to your face. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of rice and wash it thoroughly 2 to 3 times, then transfer it to a pan, add 2 cups of water, and boil it on low flame. Boil them until you have cooked rice. Now, take 2 tablespoons of mashed boiled rice in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of honey into it. Mix them well to get a consistent paste. Apply this mask to your face and neck and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off your face with a gentle massage. You will feel moisturized, silky smooth, and have glowy skin instantly. For better results, use this mask twice a week.